So on the call, Gia informs Christian that there is something like blood on the door of the house, and Gia looks very scared on the call, and Gia asks Christian about the blood. But Christian also does not anything about it, and Gia is very scared. And Gia is asking Christian to come back home, and Christian also gets worried after hearing Gia words. And Christian is 5 minutes away from the house, and Gia confirms that there is blood on the door, and Christian is also surprised to hear about the blood. And then Christian quickly leaves for home, and Christian is very worried about Gia, and Christian prays that Gia is okay. And then Christian meets Gia, and there are bloody handprints on the door, and Gia looks very scared. Then Christian opens the door of the house, and Gia is afraid to go into the house, and there is no one inside the house, and no one can be seen in the rooms. And then in the bathroom there is blood on the mirror, and there is a lot of blood in the sink too. And Gia has no idea who made all this mess, and Gia is very confused, and Gia is very worried about her cat, and Christian does not understand what is happening. But Christian is very careful, and then Christian comes upstairs to check and also finds a bloody note, and Christian thinks that maybe Lucas and Marcus are trying to play a prank on me. But Christian does not see anyone in the house, and then Christian sees blood on the mirror in the other bathroom, and Christian gets even more worried. And Christian checks all the rooms and cupboards thoroughly but does not find anything. And then Christian hears the sound of something falling, and Christian gets very scared. And then a lot of blood is seen in the sink of the other bathroom, and there is also a lot of blood on the mirror, and there is also a lot of blood in the bathtub. And there is no idea where all this blood can come from, and Christian sees blood everywhere in the house. And then Christian wants to show the situation to Gia, and Gia gets more worried after seeing the bloody note, and Gia gets shocked after seeing the blood on the mirror, and Gia condition starts getting worse after seeing the blood everywhere. And Gia heart is beating very fast with fear, and Gia is not doing any pranks. And Christian and Gia think about calling the cops, and Christian has checked the whole house thoroughly,